Hello and welcome to this Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, we will continue our DAX versus SQL series, and we are going to uh, have today average of sum. Now, average of sum where we are going to sum till a particular level, and after that we are going to take average. Now, we can have many combinations, like first we take average and then take sum, or we take min and then take max, or take min and then take sum. So, what we are going to do today is let's go to the SQL and see. We are planning to take sum till city level, and post that what we are planning that we are going to take an average, so overall average at the city level. Now so we go ahead and execute. So how we are doing, let me explain to you again. So we are going to take this city level data and sum it up. So this is how our data looks like now, and then we are going to take the average. So this is 499. Now what is actually our average? If we simply take, is it same or something different? If I simply go ahead and take an average, how much is that? Is it same or are we doing something different here? So let's go ahead and take this out and then simply sum of this one, and this is 1 point something, so this is pretty less. So what we looking for is the city level average. This is the number we should be getting. Now in the DAX, how we are going to do, so we are going to take a function average x, or x functions which we are going to take. In x function, the first parameter is basically table. So here we are giving values. So values, what it is going to do is kind of going to give you distinct values at that place, and then till that level we are going to do sum. And we have created this measure in the past where we have this sum of sales quantity. So it's going to do sum of sales quantity till the city level. After city level, it's going to do average. So let's evaluate and check, are we getting the same result or not. So we are getting the same results, average sum of city. Now we go to Power BI. Again, Power BI is not going to be any different in this case. What we have simply done is I created a measure with different names, so that because DAX Studio and Power BI are connected with a single model, so they are going to take the same names as same measure. So what I've done is I created with one as a permanent measure here, and this measure you can see again same definition, average x value city ID, and I put it here on a card visual, and again we are getting same number 499.13. Now let's try it at another level. Now this is what we are taking as sales city ID is the inside sales table. Now if we want to go across table, like we want to use geography. Now to do that, let's go back to the SQL Studio SQL Server. Now here what we are going to do is we are first going to do join it with geography on city ID and city ID. In Power BI, in our model, we have already done that join, so we are going to take advantage of that there. Now group it first by state. So let's group it state and look at the data, what data we are getting. So this is what data we are getting, different state by state. And now let's go ahead and take a average of it. So we are getting 1468 is our average which we are getting it. And now on DAX Studio, how we are going to do, in DAX Studio again they are joined, so we are just going to take the advantage of that. We have simply started using geography.state, and sales M is the measure which is already available. Same stuff, just we have changed the level of granularity or level of detail, we have just changed now. So we are getting 1468.02 something, we are getting like this. And now we go back, same here again, no difference. Again geography.state, same kind of measure we have created, and we are using it on card visual. So there are many combinations like this will happen. You will, now we are just talking about one value, there could be more than one value, there could be some more complex calculation, all those can be done. So if you have some suggestion, you want to watch some more videos, let us know. We will try to create a video around it. Subscribe to this channel, press to bell icon so that you can get notification whenever we are posting new videos. Thanks for watching this video.